Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pairing the second controller and signing into the Ps5. This is essential because local accounts link to characters. Once paired, load the farm save where you want co-op to start, then open the in-game menu with options. You press X on the second controller to prompt the join screen. Do this quickly after opening the menu, so the game allocates a farmhand slot. The reason is that Stardew creates a farmhand profile for split screen only during the host session setup. You now assign the second player as a farmhand. Select Create Farmhand or pick an existing local profile. Choose a cabin, name, and starting gear. This ensures the game spawns the character correctly. Then, check session settings for split screen or local co-op options and confirm them. Stardew sometimes asks whether to allow other players or restrict multiplayer. Make sure to adjust camera zoom and HUD scale so both views remain readable. This prevents clipping or one player blocking the other's view during. You finish by confirming both characters are visible on the map and then resume the day together. That completes the split screen start sequence. If the second player sees a black or disconnected screen, first repair the controller and press X again, then reload the save if needed. These quick steps often force the game to reinitialize the farmhand. If problems persist, make sure Stardew Valley and the Ps5 system software are updated, and consider rebuilding the Ps5 database to resolve stubborn local multiprocess issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.